Hi, boys and girls. Do you see who's here? Yeah, it's Winston. Yeah, do you see? He looks a little bit anxious, doesn't he? You know what's the matter? I think Winston wants a carrot. Let's see. Let's see if he wants it. What do you think, Winston? Oh, my goodness, he got excited. He's trying to smell that with his nose. He uses his sense of... Oh, and look at that. He's already eating that carrot. I'm going to get my fingers back. He is a hungry bunny. Look at him eat that carrot. You know what that reminds me of? It reminds me of our math lesson for today. Yeah, I've been a little distracted here by Winston. I think that we'll maybe move over to the desk area and take a look at our math lesson for today. All right, Winston, you enjoy that carrot. All right, let's walk over here for a minute. Here we go. There's our paper. Do you see the carrots on there? Yeah, they're not quite as colorful as the real carrot, are they? But look at the symbols here and the numbers. Do you know what we're going to do with those numbers and symbols? Who thinks they know? All right, Reed, what do you think we're going to do? Yeah, we're going to be doing some adding, because when you see that plus sign, you know we're going to put two things together, right? Right. Well, since we know from our friend Winston that bunnies like carrots, maybe we'll use some bunny counters today to help us with these addition problems. All right, so the first number is going to tell us how many bunnies want a nibble of that carrot. All right, and how many are there first? Yes, there's 5 bunnies. So I'm going to count here. I've got a little, I'm going to scooch that back so you can see. See my little container here? Do you remember how we would use a counting cup in our classroom? Yep, sometimes we'd do that. Sometimes we'd have like 2 spots on our desk and then we'd put them together. Today I'm going to put them into this little tub here so I can reach in there easily. I'm going to count 5 into there. You going to count with me? All right, good. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let me give you a little peek there. Oh, but when I move it, it's going to be hard to see, but there's 5 bunnies in here. All right, now, there's going to be some more bunnies coming over to get a nibble on that carrot. Yep, you are right, Nora. There's going to be 4 more bunnies, so I'm going to count in 4 more. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we just added 4 bunnies to the 5 bunnies we already had. That's what addition is, when you put things together. Now we want to see how many we have in all. Go ahead and say that. In all. Yep, that's how many we have when we put them together. So I'm going to get my bunnies. I want to keep them kind of orderly there. They're wanting to get all silly there. See, it's empty because I want to count each of them as I put them back in. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I had 5 bunnies. I got 4 more bunnies. Altogether, I've got 9. So I'm going to record the number 9 right up here. There's 9 bunnies now. 5 plus 4 equals, remember the equal sign? 9. Good job. Let's try the next one. All right, I'm going to empty out my little tray there. Remember, we'd empty out the cup. We couldn't leave anything in there. Got to be accurate and organized when you do math. All right, let's come over here. We're going to start with how many bunnies? All right, go ahead and tell us. You're going to tell us. All right, Luigi, sure. 4 bunnies? All right, let's put them in. 1 hops in. 2 hops in. 3, 4. I can hear Winston still crunching on his carrot over there. 4 bunnies are there. Now, after the addition sentence, I see the number 3. So I'm going to put in 3 more. Yep, you got that right. Good job. All right. Priscilla, help me count these. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 more. We're going to see how many that equals. All right, I'm going to pick them back up. And now we're going to count how many there are in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bunnies in all. Remember when we'd say, across the sky, down from heaven, that's the way to make a 7? Yep, very good. There we go. Well, that was usually working just fine for me with using the pictures of the bunnies. But do you remember how we liked to model the math? Yeah, that's when we would use counters or something different to show what was happening. Let's try it this time. I'm going to get out my good old abacus. It's a little bit behind me here. And we're going to see if we can move this along by using this tool that's a little easier to deal with. All right, this time we're going to have 7 plus 3. All right, let's get out our beads here. All right, I'm going to count over 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm pretending like those are the 7 bunnies. And then I need to move over 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at this. It's a little bit easy this time because look, I know that I used a whole row of beads, so I don't even have to count them. Who remembers how many that is? All right, yep, go ahead. Is she? Yep. That's 10 rabbits, or in this case, 10 beads that are modeling the rabbits for us. Okay, so I'm going to write the number 10 right up here. A 1 and then a 0. Hey, how about this next one? 2 plus 2, that's a double. We worked on memorizing that, didn't we? We probably don't even need the beads for this. You want to use our fingers just to double check? All right, I know. I heard Logan saying that's going to be 4. He knows that one already. Let's see. 2 and 2, like bunny ears. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, we memorized that one.
Yeah, I know that.
Oh, Tommy said he knew that one too. Tommy, next we're going to do 3 plus 3. That's another double,
6.
isn't it? Oh, good. Tommy says 6. Is that right? Mason, you agree with Tommy? That is 6. That's a doubles fact, and we memorize those. Hey, how about 4 and 4 more, another doubles? Yeah, that's 8, like the legs on a spider. We didn't even have to work those out. We've got those. Hey, this one's interesting. It says we have 3 bunnies, and then we didn't get any more. If I was using a number line for this strategy, I would start on the 3, but because I'm adding 0, I don't go anywhere. So I still have 3 bunnies wanting to nibble that carrot. Okay. Oh, we're going to get to use all kinds of addition strategies today because look at this one, boys and girls. We started with 4, and we got 1 more. Who just said count up? All right, Betty, we'll count up. Here we go. Everybody say 4. 4. 1 more is 5. Good. We counted up, and we found that there were 5 bunnies. Well, boys and girls, today we practice using some different strategies to get our minds thinking about addition or finding out how many there are in all. Do you want me to tell you a secret? Next year when you get to 1st grade, yep, it doesn't matter who your teacher is next year, they're all going to do this. They're going to tell you a really funny name for what we call the answer when we do addition. Yep. They're going to say the answer is called the sum. I know, it's super funny. Were you thinking of this word? S-O-M-E? Like I would like some of those carrots? This is a little different. It sounds like that, but watch how we spell it. S-U-M. Some. Yeah, they sound alike, but they have different meanings. This word, sum, is the answer when you're adding. All right, that's our secret, though, because you don't have to know that yet. I know a couple of you are still going to remember it, though, aren't you? Good for you. All right, boys and girls, thank you for helping me with these addition problems today. Take care.